Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos. Today we're going to talk about a new review system that Facebook has. I have seen it recently. I asked the Facebook representative about it and this is the answer that I got about this new feature and how it works. Before we start, thank you very much for all the support on this channel. Like this video if you like the content. And don't forget that I have my free course that is going to help you more understand Facebook ads. The link is on the description. Now, let's go quickly and see. This is the picture that I have. It's a print screen from one of the ads. And we noticed, if you see on the bottom, it says 47 business ratings. So we are familiar with that. We knew that you can go and you can leave a review to the Facebook page and stuff. But when we were looking to the Facebook page, we couldn't see 47, and this is a company that actually has more than thousands reviews on their Facebook page, so we couldn't understand where it was coming from. So we asked the Facebook representative and the answer was this: a test was launched to help make more informed purchases from ads they discover on Facebook and Instagram. This is part of our work to create positive experiences for people as they discover and shop the things they love across our apps. So basically they're asking them with a survey, and based on the survey, in your ad, the results are going to appear. This is what is happening. We are collecting ratings and reviews on some people's purchases experiences with your business via surveys that will appear in Facebook newsfeed and later on Instagram. These surveys will help us understand how willing people are These surveys will help us understand how willing people are to provide feedback on their post-transaction experiences and what kind of feedback we can expect receive at scale. The long-term goal is to help people make more informed purchase decisions by sharing customer feedback. We also believe that the positive ratings can lead to more increase in conversation, it says. I guess most probably it means conversion rates for advertisers. These ratings and reviews would allow advertisers to differentiate themselves from their competitors and increase trust with prospective customers. Once we begin testing how we share consumer ratings and reviews, advertisers can opt out of having this information shared with the More Info feature in Facebook mobile browser during this test period. We encourage businesses to share these ratings and reviews to build trust with people on our apps. However, if your business prefers to opt out, please let me know so that I can alert our team. If you're having this feature, or maybe you can ask your Facebook representative if you have one and you're talking with them, you can ask them if you have this feature so that you can see if you are actually being represented well. Because in our case over here, we can see that we had 5-5 rating for 47 actually surveys, so it's good for us. We are having credibility and good results. Other than that, if you're not aware of it, and you have and you're running several ads, most probably you need to ask your representative if you are part of this test. You need to see what kind of results you're getting, and if you're not getting good results with these surveys for any reason, you should go and you should hide it or tell your representative to hide it. Anyway, very interesting new feature. I think that we're going to see more from Facebook with surveys and stuff that they talk all about the experience of people within the platform and with the different brands. That's all I had for you today. I'm going to see you in a future video, and until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent.